Have you ever wondered why certain challenges keep repeating in your life? Do you feel blocked in certain areas, whether in love, career, or personal growth? What if I tell you that the key to unlock these patterns lies in the balance in your chakras and the wisdom stored in the Akashic Records? Today, we are going to deep dive into the chakra balancing and the Akashic Records, a powerful duo for healing and transformation. By the end of this video, you are going to understand how these two ancient systems are interconnected and how you can use them to heal karmic patterns, activate your highest potential, and create lasting balance in your life. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe if you are on the journey of deep spiritual growth. If you want to go deeper and receive personal guidance, I invite you to book an Akashic Record reading where you can uncover the hidden blocks holding you back. Book now. Now let's understand how Akashic Records and Chakras are connected with each other. The Akashic Records are book of life. They contain the energetic imprints of your thoughts, actions, experiences your soul have been carrying. Imagine them as a cosmic library, the soul's blueprint that has your past life, present circumstances, future possibilities. On the other hand, the chakra system is the energy framework that runs through physical and spiritual body. These 7 main energy centers regulate your emotions, thoughts, even your karmic imprints from the past life. So how do they work together? Your chakras store past life and present life traumas, emotions, and lessons. The Akashic Record reveals the origin of these blocks and patterns. By balancing your chakras, you clear the energetic pathways and receive deeper insights from your records. When both are aligned, you gain access to profound spiritual knowledge, allowing you to break free from the karmic patterns and cycles and step into the higher level of consciousness. Every chakra holds a karmic lesson. Let's break them down one by one. Number 1 is the root chakra, which is the Muladhara chakra. It governs survival, safety, stability. If you experience financial struggles or fear-based thinking, it may be a karmic pattern carried from your past life where you lacked security. Number 2 is the sacral chakra, the Swadhisthana chakra. It rules your emotions, creativity, your relationships. Unresolved relationship issues or creative blocks may stem from the past life wounds around betrayal or suppressed self-expression. Number 3 is the solar plexus, the Manipura chakra. It controls the confidence, the personal power. If you struggle with self-worth or making decisions, the Akashic Records may reveal a past life where your power was taken away from you. Now comes the heart chakra, which is the Anahata chakra. It represents love and compassion. If you attract toxic relationship, it could be linked to a karmic debt from your previous incarnations. Now let's talk about the throat chakra, which is the Vishuddha chakra. It governs the communication and truth. If you fear speaking up, you might have experienced persecution in the past life for expressing your truth. Now, the third eye chakra, which is also known as Ajna chakra. It controls intuition and spiritual insights. If you feel disconnected from your intuition, the records may show past life where you misused your psychic abilities. And last but not the least is your crown chakra. It connects you to the higher conscious spiritual connection and may stem from a lifetime of rigid belief systems or trauma that blocked divine connection. By accessing your Akashic Records, you can uncover the root cause of these imbalances and start healing them. Now, why is chakra balancing essential for working with the Akashic Records? Number 1 raises your vibration. The Akashic Records exist in a very high frequency realm. If your chakras are blocked, it's harder to access this wisdom, and that is how many people struggle accessing their Akashic Records. Number 2, remove energetic distortion. When chakras are misaligned, the messages from the records can become unclear, distorted, not giving you the thing that you're looking for. Number 3, enhanced intuition. A clear third eye and crown chakra allows you to receive more accurate and detailed insight. Number 4, facilitates karmic healing. Releasing energy from blocked chakras speeds up your healing process, allow you to integrate Akashic wisdom faster. I'm going to give you simple chakra balancing techniques. Number 1, meditate and visualize. Imagine a bright light cleansing each chakra every single time as you sit for meditation. Number 2, use affirmation. Speak healing affirmations like I am always safe and protected. And say, I Trust my inner wisdom. Repeat this affirmation for your third eye. Now comes crystal healing, using stones like amethyst for the crown chakra, lapis lazuli for the throat chakra, citrine for the solar plexus also helps in the healing process. Last but not the least is the breath work and mantras. Chanting Om works beautifully for the crown chakra and starts opening up the portal from where the light flows in. By incorporating these practices, you create a clear channel of divine wisdom from your Akashic record realm. Now let's talk about how you can apply this wisdom daily. Number 1, morning alignment ritual. Start your day with a quick chakra scan, close your eyes, ask which chakra needs balancing today. Focus on that chakra, try to expand this, affirm around that chakra, and you're done for the day. Number 2, journaling with Akashic Records. Each morning or evening, write down a question for your records. Example, what lesson is my heart chakra teaching me today? Number 3, energy cleansing ritual. Before bed, visualize a white light flowing through each chakra, clearing out all the stagnant energy which you have accumulated during the day. Number 4, working with an Akashic record reader. If you're feeling stuck, a professional reading can pinpoint exactly which chakra needs healing and what is not working in your life. Chakra balance and Akashic records work hand in hand to accelerate the spiritual growth, release karmic debts, create deep transformation. When you harmonize your energy centers and access your soul wisdom, you step into the life of alignment, clarity, and purpose. If you're serious about this journey and want to go deeper, personalize insights, I invite you to book an Akashic record reading. Together, we explore the hidden layers of your soul, uncover the blockages that hold you back, and guide you towards breakthrough you need. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, comment below which chakra do you feel needs most healing right now, and I am going to send you beautiful energies. Let's continue the conversation and support each other grow beautifully. Until next time, trust your energy and trust your soul.